Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to buy and safely store Bitcoin, especially if you are new in this. Owning Bitcoin is easier than you might think, and having full control over it by using a hardware wallet adds a layer of security. If you're considering diving into Bitcoin, I'll break down everything you need to know to make the process simple and secure. Before we get into the steps, let's briefly touch on what Bitcoin is and why self-custody matters. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that runs on a blockchain, a secure, open network maintained by a network of computers called miners. It's valuable because it allows financial freedom and independence from traditional banks. Now, self-custody means that you have full ownership of your Bitcoin instead of leaving it on an exchange which could be vulnerable to hacks. Holding it in a personal hardware wallet allows you to own the keys to your Bitcoin, ensuring it's truly yours. This level of control is a unique benefit of Bitcoin, giving you total access and security for your funds. If you'd like to understand the difference between centralized exchange and decentralized exchange, check out this video. Step number 1. Choose a reputable exchange. Some user-friendly and widely used options include platforms like Coinbase and Binance. Step number 2. Once you've chosen your platform, set up your account. This typically involves providing some personal information and completing a KYC. KYC is Know Your Customer. It's a verification process where you may need to provide ID or complete a quick video confirmation. These steps keeps your account secure. If you need a full tutorial on how to open an account with Binance, I've got step-by-step guide on this video here. Number 3, deposit funds. After setting up the account, deposit funds. Most platforms let you fund your account with fiat currency like USD, Euro or GBP via bank transfer or credit card. Just note that some platforms may have a brief holding period for new depositors. Step number 4, buying your crypto. Now we're ready to buy. Go to the buy selection on the platform. Select Bitcoin, BTC, and enter the amount you'd like to purchase. Starting with an amount you're comfortable with is always a good idea, especially if it's your first time. Once you confirm, congratulations, you're now a Bitcoin owner. Step number 5. Secure your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet. This is a very important step. Now, let's talk about securing your Bitcoin. Leaving it on an exchange is convenient but can be risky, as exchanges are sometimes target for hackers. Instead, moving your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet gives you full control over it. This is called self-custody, and it's one of the key benefits of owning Bitcoin. A hardware wallet is a small device that stores your Bitcoin offline, making it highly secure. Two popular options we recommend are the Ledger Nano S and the Trezor Model T. The Trezor Model T is a bit higher in price, but it has advanced technologies to recover your seed phrases in case you lose part of it. Both wallets use a 24-word seed phrases and a PIN code, which are essential layers of security. When you set up your wallet, it will generate a unique 24-word passphrase that functions like a master key to access your Bitcoin. Make sure to store these passphrases securely because it's the only way to recover your wallet if it's lost or damaged. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check them out. Step number 6. To transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to the hardware wallet, follow these steps. Open the software associated with your hardware wallet, for example, Ledger Live for the Ledger Nano. In the software, click on Receive to get your Bitcoin wallet address. This address is like a physical address, but for Bitcoin, where you'll receive funds. Copy this address, then go back to your exchange account. In the exchange, click on Send and paste your wallet address. Confirm the amount you want to send and complete the transaction. Once the transaction is processed, your Bitcoin will appear in your hardware wallet, safely stored and offline. Why this matters? In the world of crypto, there is a saying, not your keys, not your coins. This means that if you don't hold your keys to your Bitcoins, it's technically not fully under your control. Storing your Bitcoin in a hardware wallet ensures that only you have access to it, reducing the risk of losing it due to exchange issues or hacks. Self-custody gives you the peace of mind knowing that your Bitcoin is secure in your hands. Not only that, but the exchange can freeze your funds for any reason. And that's it. Now you know how to buy Bitcoin and secure it safely in a hardware wallet. This process empowers you to take control over your financial future with Bitcoin. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more content. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.